Hi, I'm Kev Lavender. I'm out here at Wamiran where we're connecting a generator onto the network for an aged care centre. I've spent most of my day today at Garvey Island with lots of our crews. We've had over 350 crews on the road today, and we're planning to have crews work through the night to restore supply where it's safe to do so. We've got a resource plan for tomorrow for the damaged areas on the Sunshine Coast and up here in Brisbane North, and we've mobilised extra crews from Burleigh all the way through up to the Wide Bay area and out to Toowoomba. So rest assured, we're working hard to restore power over the next 24 hours. Please be kind to the crews. They've been working hard throughout the day in the hot weather, and reminder, tomorrow we're expecting severe storms again, and hopefully we won't get too much damage and we'll be able to keep your power on. Thanks.